Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best budget dashcam front and rear available right now. I made this list based on features, quality, price, and many more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for the best dashcam, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started. Fifth product on my list, SEAMETAL D40568 Night Vision Dual Lens Dashcam. The SEAMETAL D40568 1080 pixel 4-inch IPS touchscreen wide-angle video recorder car camera dashcam. SEAMETAL Dashcam 1080 pixel front camera and 720 pixel rear camera fully fit touchscreen precise touch at fingertips. Built-in GLE chip, using H264 high-fidelity decoding, clearly restores the scene. Intelligent dynamic detection system, when someone wants to destroy your car, it will automatically open for evidence. Wide field of view 170-degree lens, equipped with image correction system. 170-degree wide-angle front camera and 140-degree wide-angle rear camera, monitor your vehicle in all directions and record all possible accidents in time. 6 groups of large aperture lenses capture the scene more clearly. Fourth product on my list, Etymoofox GMAI A70 Duo Full HD Car Dashcam. The Etymoofox GMAI A70 Duo Dual Lens Full HD Car Dashcam. 1.5-inch LCD screen dashcam for cars. 1080 pixel dashcam front and inside dash camera. HDR optimize the color saturation and image details to restore the true colors in various light conditions. Loop recording and G sensor, overwrite the earliest video once card is full auto lock video when detecting shot, which won't be overwritten by loop recording. Wide angle 170 degree, simultaneously record through the road front 170 degree and inside cabin 140 degree to ensure you're safe. Night vision, 4 IR LEDs ensure flawless video footage when the passenger cabin is dark. Third product on my list, AZDOME GS63H Dual Lens 4K Ultra HD Dashcam. The AZDOME GS63H Dashcam Super Night Vision Dash Camera. Crystal clear 4K recording, experience next level recording with 4K Ultra HD videos at 2880 by 2160 pixel, backed by Novatech NT96660 processor and a best-in-class OV4689 Ultra Low Light Capture 4 megapixel CMOS sensor. The ultra-wide-angle lens allows 170-degree field of view that easily covers 4 lanes and captures distortion-free images. Super Night Vision, f1.8 wide aperture allows superior images, be it day or night. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6-glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy even in low light. Smart accident monitoring, the built-in G sensor in AZDOME Dashcam activates upon impact and records videos of up to 1 minute. The 3-axis impact G sensor data ensures precise emergency recording of when and where the impact occurred and dockets the file to aid further investigation. The built-in wide dynamic range (WDR) technology helps capture optimum lighting and image details in both bright and dark conditions. So, be it day or night, view road signs and license plates vividly. The motion detection technology activates the vehicle camera for recording while sensing any movement about the car. 24-hour parking monitoring, the built-in 250 mAh Li-ion battery allows up to 24 hours of parking monitoring. The AZDOME Dashcam comes with a 360U acute rotating suction mount with silicone design. This amazing 4K dashcam video recorder is the perfect device to record real-time vehicle conditions and beautiful sceneries while driving your car. Second product on my list, ESP44 4K GPS track dash camera. The ESP44 Night Vision Video Recorder Dashcam. 4K 2160 pixel Ultra HD, ESP44 dash camera can record videos up to a resolution of 2160 pixel Ultra HD. 170-degree ultra-wide A+ lens viewing angle allows a wider viewing angle to capture those important details side. The WDR function optimizes video quality with wider light range and image details. Super Night Vision. With the revolutionary Super Night Vision technology, the car dashcam can capture clearer videos and photos even in low-light night conditions. f1.6 largest aperture available plus 6 glass wide-angle lens with proprietary focal length of the lens gives you more clear smaller details. GPS function is to record the driving route location. We can see the speed and driving route on the computer by provided player. Sony 335 image sensor. With the Sony image processing chip, it adopts full high-definition image processing technology and adopts high-fidelity H.2.64 video encoding and storage compression method, and the video image is clear and delicate. ESP44 dual lens recording, 170-degree angle front camera with 140-degree angle rear view camera that allows for simultaneously recording videos from two different angles. 2 split view make you have clear view from front and backup camera. Connect Wi-Fi control. You can control the DVR by connected mobile phone via Wi-Fi, like recording video, the file recorded video from the overwriting, taking photo, playback preview, parameter settings, etc. First product on my list, VVCAR D530 Super Night Vision Dashcam. VVCAR D530 4K GPS 4K 1080 pixel video recorder dashcam. 4K HD quality, restore real driving details. Distinguished from other 1080 pixel dashcam, VVCAR DVR provides a video resolution high up to 3840 by 2160 pixel 24 fps 2560 by 1440 pixel at 30 fps and 1920 by 1080 pixel at 30 fps. The shell is independently designed by a senior designer. Fashionable style. 3-inch screen to prevent blocking the line of sight. With hidden design, the angle can be adjusted freely. D530 newly launched super large pixels automatically fill light in non-light environment. The new super aperture, the light transmittance reaches 99.99% and the license plate is still clearly visible in any environment. G-sensor. If there is a collision, G-shock sensor will automatically bulk the file recorded video for the overwriting. The global satellite positioning system accurately records your driving trajectory. Dedicated player, playback display is more detailed. You can view your speed, coordinates, map track in detail. Mini appearance. The exquisite and compact appearance design does not block the line of sight or the rear view mirror of the original car. D530 is equipped with Wi-Fi. When encountering emergencies or accident disputes, app intelligently connects to retrieve accident videos in real time.